Hi, I'm so glad you've decided to join us today. This channel is all about the journey, where life is taking us, and the things that we do to get there. I want you to come with me and experience all these things together.
Okay, so Elizabeth, how was your day today?
Well, first we did math and didn't do quite well on that.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Was there a problem why you couldn't get that?
Yeah.
What was the problem?
Because you were learning with me.
Yeah, because did Mommy forget how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did we decide?
Next time you will make me skip it and you'll learn it and then you'll know how to teach it.
Right. So Mommy will relearn it and then teach it to you. Right.
Mm-hmm.
And then what did we do after we had our issue with math?
We stopped doing that and we ate and went to the splash pad.
Mm-hmm.
We got to swim and play
Right.
in water that was floating in the air, I think. And then we got to go eat ice cream with my friends. And in just a few minutes, we are going to go to another friend.
So did we just decide to kind of wait till tomorrow?
Yeah.
To finish our homeschool for today?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is that a better idea?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey everybody, so that was my daughter, and yes, this morning we did have a really rough time with math. I should say that I had a really rough time with math. So we were trying to do multiplication, but a large number for multiplication, and I could not remember how to work the problem, which made me frustrated at myself because I used to do that just fine, and then all of a sudden it's like a blank was in my head. I could not think of how to do this stupid problem. So here I am looking up on the internet trying to figure it out, feeling so stupid, and I'm not helping her at all, but trying to help her work through it while I'm trying to work through it was not a good idea. We both wound up in tears. It was awful. So we just stopped in the middle of doing math, and we completely went off homeschool completely for the rest of the day. We went with, like she said, we went with some friends to a nearby town, and we went to a splash pad and had tons of fun. They got ice cream. So we just decided today, homeschool's over. We're not doing any more because we all were just stressed out. Nothing was getting accomplished. And I was just so happy that we could just take that break. Elizabeth actually revealed to me as I was making lunch after we had our meltdown, and I sat down with her and I told her how sorry I was, that I should have just skipped over that and learned it and then retaught it to her. And I just explained to her that, that was my fault. And then while I was making lunch, she confided in me and she told me, "Mommy, thank you for teaching me." And I said, "Elizabeth, Mommy loves teaching you." And she says, "Yeah, but whenever I get stressed out with you, you let me stop." And then she began to tell me how she would get stressed out at school and how she would even cry at school because she would get so stressed out. I was not aware at all that this was happening at school. And she said, "Mommy, I would even cry on the bus on the way home from school because I would be so stressed for my day." And I said, "Elizabeth, any time that we get stressed out during homeschool, we can take a break. That should not be an issue. We should be able to just stop, take a break, cool down, and come back with a level head to be able to actually learn what you're trying to teach them. They have to have a clear mind." And I'm just so happy that we can do that with homeschool. And today we learned a huge, huge lesson that homeschool is all about the kids. It's about a good environment while we're learning. And if it's not a good environment at that moment, and if things just are not going well for homeschool that day, we just will not do homeschool that day, and we will make it up the next day. You know, we've learned that we can make up time, and it seems to go just fine. But on those days it just is not working, we will quit and we will just make it up. So today we learned a huge lesson for homeschool, and I hope that our lesson can help someone else, maybe trying to start out in homeschooling, that, you know, every day doesn't have to be a full day, and you can take breaks and stop and do whatever you need to do to make it a good environment for learning for your kid. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.